Hey guys, I'm so sorry I can't be here with you today, but I know you're going to be awesome for my sub, and we're going to have an awesome time tomorrow in our scavenger hunt. So let's take a look at what I have for you. We're going to actually do example number 1 together, so get your pencils and your paper ready, because I'm literally going to walk you through the first answer, okay? So this is a little bit like what we did yesterday. You're going to start by reading the paragraph. Number 1, tornadoes and hurricanes. Hurricanes and tornadoes are both amazing yet deadly natural phenomena. Both generate deadly conditions, but in different ways. Tornadoes are likely to damage people and property with their high winds, which go up to 300 miles per hour, but hurricanes are generally more feared for their flooding. Also, hurricanes can produce tornadoes, which make them quite dangerous indeed. So there's a couple clues here. I see words like both and likely, but I also see words like different. So this shows me it's probably compare and contrast, okay? So when you look at all of your graphic organizers, you're going to go ahead and write the title here. Now, before you do anything else, this is where you're going to check in with the sub. Why? Because I'm going to ask you to fill this part out, and it would be really annoying if you matched up the wrong paragraph with the wrong spot and then had to redo it. So make sure you check in with the sub as you write the passage name. Check in and say, did I get that one right? When she says yes, then you can go ahead and fill in the information. She's got a complete chart, so she knows what goes where, okay? So at this point, you'll write in the passage and you'll check in with the sub and say, hey, did I pick the right one? And then she will say yes or no and help you out with that. Then you can start to work on this. Now, this is what's going to be a little bit different than what we did yesterday. Yesterday, we just identified. Today, we're going to be working on putting the important information inside to our chart. And this is where I said we're doing number 1 together, so I would get your pencil ready. So in this chart, it says what is being compared. Well, what's being compared? Tornadoes and hurricanes. So we'll leave it nice and simple. Now, we need to find from our reading at least 3 ways that they're similar and 3 ways that they're different. So right in the first sentence, I see 2 ways that they're similar. They're both amazing and deadly. So I'm going to go ahead and put that they're amazing, and I'm going to go ahead and put that they're deadly. Notice that all of my clues I'm using from the paragraph. I'm not just making it up. Now, if something is amazing and deadly and it can flood and it has high winds, it sounds like both of these things are pretty powerful. Tornadoes have high winds, hurricanes have flooding. Both of those are powerful, so I'm going to go ahead. I have support for that, so I'm going to put powerful. With all of these graphic organizers, you can put something in every spot. If you're not sure, just check in with the sub, okay? So again, ways that they're similar, they're amazing, deadly, and powerful. So ways that they're different. This is where we're taking our own notes, so you can take some abbreviations. So for this first one ways I notice that they're different is it says that tornadoes have high winds. So I'm going to say T equals high wind. Tornado stands for T. I'm good on that. I know what that means. Then it says hurricanes are generally more feared for their flooding. So I'm going to put H equals flooding. Hurricanes are flooding. That's another way that they're different. Now I need to find one more way. It also says that hurricanes can make tornadoes. It doesn't say that tornadoes can make hurricanes, so that is a way that they're different. So we'll also put in that hurricanes can cause tornadoes. So as you go through all of these paragraphs, you'll check with the sub before you start putting in the notes. But each one of these paragraphs has little clues for you on what to put here, okay? So just remember to check in with the sub before you start taking your notes. And if you're really stuck on this, call the sub over because she does have an answer key for you. Thanks, guys, and I really appreciate how hard you're going to work for me today. Thank you.